Hi there, this is Jasha from Calilio. In this video, I'll tell you how to recover your deleted Calilio account. If your Calilio account has been deleted accidentally or intentionally, don't worry. You can still recover it by contacting our support team. Account recovery ensures that all your data, numbers, and communication history are restored, provided the request is made within the retention period. Now here's what you can do to recover your deleted account. First, go to the Calilio website and click on the live chat icon, such as this, at the bottom right corner of the page. In the chat box, mention that you would like to recover your deleted account. Provide your registered email address, workspace name, and any verification details support team requests. The Calilio support team, available 24/7, will verify your request and assist you in restoring your account. Once verified, your workspace and associated data will be reactivated. And that's it. That's how you easily recover your deleted Calilio account. If you need any help at any point, you can always reach out to the Calilio support team through the live chat box. Thanks for watching.